What's something people don't know about AI programming languages? Their evolution is mind-blowing. Let's rewind to the 1950s, the era of Lisp. Lisp was the go-to for early AI. Super flexible, but slow. Flash forward to the 80s. Enter Prolog. Logic-based and perfect for AI. But it had its quirks. Now, the 90s. C++ and Java. Speed and object-oriented programming took center stage. AI started getting practical. Zoom into the 2000s. Python steals the spotlight. Easy, versatile, and powerful. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch made AI accessible. And today, say hello to Julia and R. Julia's speed and R's data handling are game changers. But wait, don't blink. The future? Quantum programming languages. Think Qiskit and Quipper. AI processing at lightning speed. From Lisp to quantum, AI languages have transformed. The journey is thrilling. Stay tuned, because the next big thing, it's just around the corner. Developers stack watermark.